Frank from Lubeck Enterprises here again with the Dell Inspiron 620 PC. It came back. So I have this for about a week. There was some issue with the games on here, so I did a fresh install of Windows, and now I'm actually going to swap the wireless card because it's really slow, and it's going to take forever to download some games. So I'm going to put this in there. It's a TP Link Archer AC1200. Once again, that's a dual band. It's a dual band router, so it even says down here 300 megabytes on 2.4, 867 on the 5 gig. So you're not going to get 1200 at once. So, yeah. So it's been a while since I worked on this, so I'm going to have to undo these screws, open it up, and then I'm just going to take the old card out, put this one in there, and, yeah, I've been playing around with it a bit lately. As a matter of fact, this is my network card, which I have to eventually put back in my computer, but that's later. So let's get started on this. Now this process is going to be similar on all desktop computers, but obviously, you know, opening up your case might be a little different than opening up mine. So this one here is just the 2 screws in the back. Okay. Pull out and open it up. So that little thing down here, that's going to be the wireless card. You can always double check too just by looking at the back of the computer. It's going to be the one with the connections for the antennas, which of course this one didn't have. So that's what I'm going to be taking out and swapping. So to remove that wireless card, there's this little tab here. You're going to push this in, which pops this open and kind of loosens up these things here. Now it's just kind of seated in the motherboard there. There's no real screws or anything holding it in place, so I'm just going to go ahead and gently pull it out. Don't put all the force in the world into it. That's not good, but just like that. Comes out that easily. Okay, so for the unboxing, let's see what we got here. Go ahead, open it up. We have the bracket for the back, the card itself. Actually, I think this bracket is the correct one. This would be for smaller form factor desktops. And 2 antennas, pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to slide it in the same way I took the other one out. And theoretically, that should be all I really need to do. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Oh, we're going to have to plug this into the motherboard too. So I'll have to find the USB header on there, or whatever kind of header that is. And then of course it comes with the disk. Sweet. Theoretically with Windows 10 the drivers should automatically install when plugged in, but you know, it's Windows. They screw things up time to time, so. So to install the new one, it's going to be just the same process, just the reverse. It turns out that little wire that's supposed to connect to the motherboard, I forgot that's only for Bluetooth, and he doesn't need Bluetooth, so conveniently enough that works out. So we'll just put this down here. And slide it on in. Like that. Well. And then fold this back until it clicks. And that's in there. So now I'm going to go up and test it, make sure it works. Actually, first, well, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, these only really go on here. It doesn't matter which one goes on which. You just have to put it on here and screw it on, and let's go test it. You can tell it's successful because it's got both bands now. Connected, and oh no, that's going. Ta-da! So now it shouldn't take 2 hours to download a game. Listen to that thing purr. Oh baby, that's the disk drive, by the way.